Good afternoon, Warriors, and happy Veterans Day. Today is the 11th of November, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening, regular math has practice 5.4, except for fourth period. Fourth period has no homework tonight. The accelerated math has practice 7.4. Also, regular math, you've got 30 minutes of MobyMax that is due on Friday. In science, there is no homework for the regular class. However, the accelerated class has a history of Earth notes to work on. In social studies, you need to work on your Lucy slides. That is a completely optional thing for you, but wouldn't be a bad idea to take advantage of that. In language arts, due Thursday is the writing process packet, practice packet, page number 5. Once again, fourth period does not have to do this yet, and that's just because we were participating in the Veterans Day parade today. In accelerated, there is no homework. However, you can study your new notes about the writing process because you will have a quiz coming up soon. And then literature, we need to be reading for AR. Boys and girls, it's very important that the letter you receive during 8th period today, you take home and give to your parents. Expect a robocall this evening. This letter is going to discuss our plans for what will be happening in school from now until the 11th of January. So what's going to happen over the course of the next 2 months. That's it for today. I hope everyone has a happy Veterans Day. Thank you to all the veterans out there for your service. We'll see you guys tomorrow.